to be, sein. So here's what you've learned in previous lessons. You've learned how to conjugate the verb sein, or to be, in German in almost all of its forms. There's just one piece left. We're going to learn how to say they are in this video. They are, sie sind, sie sind. And notice the pronunciation of the S's, sie sind. And notice also that this is a lowercase s. They are, sie sind. Okay, so let's review what you know already and apply what you've learned. So the verb to be, the infinitive, is sein. If you want to say they are, you simply say sie sind. Nice, nett, friendly, freundlich, brave, mutig, funny, komisch, happy, FROH. So if you want to say they are nice, you would say sie sind nett. They are friendly, sie sind freundlich. They are brave, sie sind mutig. They are funny, sie sind komisch. They are happy, sie sind froh. Alright, well that's it for this lesson. To continue learning, click on the video that appears here on your screen to go to the next lesson. Bis bald.